With around 240,000 crimes committed in Scotland each year, plenty of people get locked up. From today, the process they go through changes, and it's not been an easy transition.
If you're unlucky enough to end up inside a police cell, you have certain rights, including the right to remain silent and the right to have someone told where you are, and there are certain rules about what happens next.
One of the new rules is that everyone gets early and automatic access to a solicitor. Police will also be able to release a suspect while they investigate and rearrest them within 28 days, and there's new protections for those under 18. The aim is to enhance the right of suspects and protect the vulnerable, but those charged with turning up to represent them day and night say the numbers and funding aren't there. Lawyers in Edinburgh and Dundee have already pulled out. Talks are underway to persuade those in Glasgow to stay. Crisis, meltdown, are they too stronger words?
I don't think they are. I think we are at a crisis point. Whether the system can cope with this remains to be seen, but even those solicitors who haven't yet withdrawn from the duty scheme are likely to do so, in my view.
The Scottish Legal Aid Board say they've run projections based on the extra work. They claim much of it will be done by phone and say the system won't be overwhelmed.
What it's about doing is making sure that we have a simplified system and one which has greater clarity and certainty around. And the changes which have been introduced today and the new powers that the police will actually have will ensure that our criminal justice system is fit for the 21st century.
Some senior police officers have described it as a huge change to the way they work.
It's been a seamless transition, a few minor issues, but they have been dealt with very, very quickly and successfully. So, day one, 16 hours in, yes, happy.
Many police stations have already built custom interview rooms for the introduction of the new Act, but as the disagreements of the past few weeks have shown, introducing these new rules may not be straightforward.